So this is just the recap for day 59 here, and we've done a recap already for the first part of the video, and the only thing is, well, markets continue to sell. The only thing is about the earlier video is it covers the first part of our trading session, but what we did was we came back, saw prices breaking down out of this range here. So we had this consolidation range that we said we thought could potentially act as support. So prices came down, had a 80-point rally from the lows to the highs out of this area here, which we had a consolidation. Came in, saw prices break the lows, saw some follow through, decided to go short, had suffered through some pullback here, went short, was targeting this consolidation area here, and prices hit our target around 75 or so. Our target around that 75 mark. So from the short up there to the 75 mark, and that added further P&L to our account. We're seeing this more follow through here to the downside. We do have a level at 242, seeing that follow through. And of course we could have held, and of course if we'd have traded like we have this week, where we've taken a trade and we've walked away and come back at the end of the day, this would have been a far more profitable trading session, and would have paid less in fees, of course. But suffering the losses from earlier in the week, I've definitely snatched a few of the early profits based on the recap from that video. Based on the recap on there, we did mention that we were holding trades for less than 5 minutes, which is 1 bar, because we are using a 5-minute chart. And so this trade was more textbook, but again, there was a possibility of again picking up a further 25 or so points. So what we'll do is we'll bring over our trade performance. On our trade performance here, let's see, we currently 2 minutes in. So on our trade performance here, we are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. So this is where we ended up. So at about 10:19 New York time, we ended the stream. We did our first recap, and we were thinking of being finished for the day, but we're still at our charts. When we saw this other opportunity set up, we decided to go short there during a period where I've not had much success in the past, just after 11, so 11:24 New York time. We of course went short, and as we can see, that trade worked in our favor, picking up all the points we're looking for and getting to target. Of course, we're seeing prices follow through here even more to the downside. There we are. So we ended the trading day here at, well, that was the trade entry at the 11:24, and we started trading day pretty close to the open. Took a trade out of the open, not the exact open, but within the first 5 minutes or so, we took a short. That actually worked in our favor. So if we have a look at our summary page, trying to make this recap shorter than the previous one. If we have a look at our summary page here, we can see those are our gains. We picked up 119 points, 100% accuracy. This gross loss here is pretty much commissions. Those are our total commissions on the day. Average trade. There's our average trade right there. Largest win. There's our loss, which counts as a loss, but that's our commissions. And see, this is a bit better here. So the longer hold time has brought up our average hold time to about 8 minutes, so above 1 bar. But for the first recap, it was less than 5 minutes, so that played a part in the averages here. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up this video. So I'd like to thank you for watching. If you decide to watch this second recap, and think about liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you.